Alright, the first unboxing is the Klipsch X20i. These are a pair of in-ear monitors, and usually they're quite expensive. They retail brand new for 550 bucks, but I got them on the cheap on Amazon. I noticed the seller was selling them for 220 bucks, and it's in still really good condition, so I was like, wow, this is a really good deal. I got to get myself, you know, like it's less than half price, so why not, right? Now I was looking for a pair of in-ear monitors too, because my Fender FXA5s are a little bit, I don't think they fit me that well, and I wanted a pair that was slightly more portable as well. So anyways, these are the Klipsch X20i's. These are the flagship in-ear monitors for Klipsch. They make a whole bunch of headphones and earphones, as some of you might know, and this is their top-end pair. I like this box. It's don't think it's real wood or faux wood or whatever, but anyways, the packaging is really nice. I like that Klipsch puts wood grain on a lot of their products. I also have the Klipsch, the 3 speaker, and they also put wood grain on that, so I love wood grain. It's very, very classy. Alright, so here it is, the Klipsch X20i's. This is a leather, or not sure if it's genuine leather, but it's a leather carrying case. Inside you have the actual X20i's themselves. Very, very slim and slender, and they come with, I'd say these look a little bit cheap to me, these volume controls. That's a little bit cheap than what I expected, but the other pieces of the in-ear monitor are actually quite well designed. These are all aluminum finish or titanium, one of those, normal 3.5 connector right there. But yeah, these should be sound isolating because they're in-ear monitors. I think that's, if you guys don't know the difference between earphones and in-ear monitors are designed to block out the sound as well. Earphones and yeah, just the normal earphones, not necessarily. They're really usually much, much cheaper. Alright, then we got premium ear tips. Okay, we get the owner's manual here, and we get extra ear tips here by Comply. Premium. I'm not sure what makes them premium, but definitely these will block out the external noise, because in-ear monitors are designed to give you passive noise canceling. So that's another thing is, if you use noise canceling headphones on the plane, they're still quite big, usually over-ear headphones, right? And I have my Sonys for that, but for me, I wanted to find something a little bit easier to carry. So in-ear monitor is definitely much more portable than a pair of noise canceling over-ear headphones. And we have a whole bunch of other ear tips here as well. Okay, so interesting. What makes this one premium? Okay, these ones are a lot bigger, that's for sure. Yeah, the Comply ones are a lot bigger. They're giant actually, and these ones are just standard pair of different ear tips that you can fit to yourself. But anyways, that's a good selection. I'll definitely find one that fits me for sure. It's I think the reason why these are the flagship in-ear monitors for Klipsch is that, well, if you look at the specs, it's not only the regular balanced armature, but they've managed to fit a two-way driver in there, as well as a super tweeter and a woofer as well. So that's pretty impressive. And one of the things is a small detail, but I like it. These are magnetic, so it's a nice seal right here. See, it's a little magnetic case right here. Yeah, so that's pretty cool.